All right, question for you at home. Is sex on the first date a deal breaker?
Okay, only one person to ask, of course, Dr. Viviana Coles with Houston Relationship Therapy. And you had an interesting poll. You even asked people how they're feeling about this.
Online, so far, we have 42% of you are saying yes, sex on the first date, and 58% are saying no, sex on the first date. So,
And you're saying there are pros and cons?
I think there are definitely pros and cons. You know, one of them being, look, if you feel it, go for it. If you're an adult, it's consensual, and you just want to feel empowered by being able to say yes to your choices and your desires, then go for it. The other thing that I think is more important than just going for it is to assess sexual compatibility. These days, dating is so first impression, and that might include what's going on inside the bedroom. A lot of people do prioritize, thankfully, their sexual experiences and their ability to be compatible and find pleasure with someone else. So for some people, you get that one shot and it's going to happen on the first date.
I'm just going to tell you, for me, if I was dating a guy and he wanted on the first date, the morals, I would think he was disgusting, but that's another conversation. But you say it really can empower people.
Yeah, it really can. Okay. We need a longer segment.
Yeah, we do.
And then, of course, you know, as far as it not being a good idea, mainly it's because I feel like there are emotions. Some people experience connection and emotional connection through sexuality, so it can blur the lines for them really early on. That emotional vulnerability, you do risk getting yourself hurt emotionally and also possibly the other person. And it does set a little, like what you're saying, it does set the tone for what could possibly be some miscommunication about what direction your relationship is going. Some people may not feel like it's as serious if it feels like you're hooking up on the first date. It might feel like it's more casual than you're expecting. So it can lead to some miscommunication.
It might be nice to get to know each other. Make sure you'll even want a second date.
Yeah, I mean, sound off online, Dr. Viviana. Head over to my Instagram. There is a poll there in my stories. And Sexy September Couples Challenge. There's still time. Before September 1st, sign up at drviviana.com, or you can just DM the word September, and I'll send over a DM to the link. So, yeah, check that out.
It can definitely complicate things, for sure, one way or the other. Dr.
Yeah,
appreciate
sound
you.
off, guys. Thanks.
All right, still ahead.